Hi everyone, it's Has here, and today I've got my hands on the Steelseries Arctis 7P Plus headset for the PS5 and PS5 Pro. This is a very popular headset and it's won many awards, but I wanted to see if it's still a viable option in 2025. In this video I'll be doing a full unboxing, showing you how to get this set up along with giving you my first impressions. I will be leaving some timestamps in the description down below, so if you do want to skip to a particular part of the video, you are more than welcome to do so. Okay, let's start with the box itself. The front features a picture of the headset and highlights its key features: wireless capability, having a retractable microphone, and 40 hours of battery life. More on this later. On the side of the box, you can see here all of the awards this headset has won, and honestly it's incredible how highly rated this is by retailers and major media outlets. The back of the box just showcases some additional features, and the other side of the box here shows some quick specs along with the items included in the box and some setup instructions which no one really reads. Okay, let's do the unboxing itself. I appreciate the minimalistic design and the packaging. After breaking the seal and sliding out the box, you're greeted with some nice blue packaging. Inside this, you'll find the headset and the accessories. The cables are conveniently bundled together, so here we have a USB-C cable, charging cable, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter for the wireless dongle. Then we have the wireless dongle. Finally, here's the headset itself, and I think this looks fantastic. A quick look on the back here and you will find all of the user manuals and a quick start guide, which you can read maybe when you're sat on the toilet. Whilst this headset does come in black, I've actually chosen the white version to match my PS5 Pro. Honestly, I love the clean white aesthetic, plus this attracts less dust and makes it easier to clean. If you have the base PS5 or the PS5 Slim in white, I would definitely recommend buying the headset in white to match your overall aesthetic and setup. You can definitely see that there is a PlayStation theme evident throughout the packaging with the blue accents on the box and also on the headset itself. For the price, honestly, I'm really impressed by the build quality. It feels solid and premium. The headband is made from steel instead of plastic like other headsets, and even the rubber components here feel durable. The band comes with a Velcro, so you can easily make adjustments for your own comfort. The ear cups are a hard plastic, but these still feel premium and have a foam padding on the inside, which is soft touch for the extra comfort. So now onto the buttons. The right ear cup houses the power button, which requires a press for a few seconds to turn the headset on. The button flashes in 3 colors to indicate the battery level: green to indicate 100 to 50%, yellow to indicate 49 to 20%, and red for less than 20%, indicating an urgent charge is required. Next to the power button is the side tone wheel, which is very useful when playing multiplayer games with your friends such as Call of Duty Black Ops 6, because this allows you to adjust how much you want to hear your own voice. On the left ear cup, there's a physical mute button with a clever orange indicator. When muted, this will actually change color both on the headset and the microphone, which I think is really cool. Next to this, we have the volume wheel. I'm really glad that this stops spinning when you reach the maximum or minimum volume levels. I really love this feature because it just makes adjusting the volume so much easier. Next to this, you'll find a small port, which you can use if you want to use the headset in wired mode. Next to this, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which you can use for sharing audio with another device, such as a laptop. And then next to this, we have the USB-C charging port. The headset has a fully retractable microphone, and it's actually really easy to make adjustments to this as well. And if you don't want to use the microphone, you can just retract it and enjoy gaming without anything in your way. Okay, let's get this set up. First, connect the wireless USB-C dongle to your console. If you're like me, and you have the PS5 Pro, you won't be able to use this with USB-C. You will actually have to use the USB-C to USB-A adapter and plug this into the back of your console. The reason being is the dongle actually blocks the front USB-C port, so when you have this plugged in, unfortunately you won't then be able to charge your controller at the same time. This way you can keep the front USB-C ports on the PS5 Pro clear for any other accessories which you might need. Once connected, then turn on your PS5 or PS5 Pro and then turn on the headset. Now the dongle is pre-programmed, so it should automatically connect to the headset without you having to do anything. If there is no signal, go into your PS5 settings and then go into sound and make sure the input device is showing as the Arctis 7P Plus headset. After using this headset for a couple of days now, honestly, I'm really impressed with the sound quality. It connects seamlessly to my PS5 Pro without any connectivity issues. The audio is crisp and clear, and unlike other headsets with really awkward controls, everything on the Steelseries headset is just positioned perfectly, whether that is adjusting the volume, retracting the microphone, or even pressing the mute switch. Everything just works seamlessly. In general, the headset itself is comfortable to wear. However, I have found when I'm having longer gaming sessions, I've noticed some ear soreness, but I need to do some more testing, so I will follow up with a 1 month later review and see if I'm still having the same issues. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Comment down below and let me know if you prefer the headset in black or white. Stay safe and take care. Peace.